swells. Right, I'm going to have to Google instructions for the mystery one.
Just have.
Huh?
Just have, yeah.
Oh, sweet.
Hey guys, Luke here, Tranquility Based Detailing. In today's video we are doing a head-to-head-to-head. That is 3 different graphene sprays to see, is the hype real? Are they worth it? Are they just new age faff? Who knows? But we're going to put together an Infinity Wax graphene spray against the Adams Graphene Quick Detailer and the 303 Graphene Coating Spray to see how well they do against one another and see if any of these are worth putting your money into. So let's begin.
It says 1 to 3 minutes.
Should start a timer. How's it feel coming off?
Yeah, it feels quite smooth. It doesn't really feel like there's anything there to it. Feels quite slick to the touch.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not bad. It's not bad. Right, Adams or 303?
Adams next.
Good, because this one I picked up.
Straight away, no cure.
No. is to cure.
You can see it hazing.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
It feels like thicker than the other two, like more of a coating.
Yeah, you can see down the bottom that it's starting to just flash and dry down.
Oh yeah. I'll give that a few more seconds and have that.
I would.
See, this feels quite grabby.
It looks it actually.
Coming off. Yeah, even now, like after it's been buffed, it still feels a bit snatchy. Saturated.
That's what it says. Spray heavily on the panel. That's what it says.
Yeah, I know, but I'm going to spray onto the panel without overlap.
I know. Alright. Go on to the app.
I'm going to spread that with this.
Yeah.
In 3 to 4 minutes.
3 to 4 minutes.
How long's that been? A minute and a half?
It has been a minute and a half.
That actually feel quite nice.
Quite a product intensive way to use it though, isn't it?
Yeah, they're definitely getting their, they definitely want to use it again. Yeah. And that's lightly buffed.
Yeah. I think so. Right, we turned the car around because honestly the glare was just too much. But what we're going to do now is test the water behaviour on all 4 sections. Chemical resistance, we'll check that as well. From feel point of view, so this mystery product number 4, that feels the slickest on the panel, and then it would be, do you reckon the 303 or the Infinity Wax? Infinity Wax second, 303 third. They actually all feel good. This one is the better. The Adams one doesn't feel nice. It feels grippy, a bit draggy, really just mirroring how it was when it went on. So a bit of a shame on that one. But yeah, let's have a look at the water.
It's got its beads, hasn't it?
I'll whack the Infinity Wax out. Mystery product, beading, not magnificent. 303, pretty round, pretty consistent. So fair play there. Adams, well they're puddles, no other way to put that. And the Infinity Wax, again pretty even round beads on that one. So fair play on that one. So really 2 clear good ones and 2 clear bad ones on the water behaviour test. I'd say if we was to split hairs on it, I would say that this one is beading better than that one. Both of those are beading much better than the puddles on the Adams and the mystery one, but we'll see how they go at sheeting. 303, isn't it?
Yeah, all day. That's by far the best beads and sheeting. Adams is alright, in fairness to it, but sheeting
not bad.
Right. This is terrible.
Yeah, so mystery product, not good. 303 really is the one that stands out of all of those there. Infinity Wax didn't do a bad job. Adams didn't do a bad job, in fairness, on sheeting. Poor on the beading. But the 303 is doing both. Let's give them a little blast of chemical, see how they stand up to that.
Douse it in this.
Yeah. So this is Garage Therapy's Decon shampoo. This is at a pre-wash strength, so 50:1 mix. Stopwatch is still running. Pretty sure that's mystery product gone then.
Very, very nearly. A little bit in there still down here, but nothing to write under. It's not touched 303.
No.
Adam's done pretty well, to be fair. Maybe slightly down the bottom there. And wax is still
going.
going, so add the two of them. You want to do it again? See if it
Yes.
off.
Mash them up.
Well, say that.
Barely there.
Obviously use one again.
It's got to be the 303 now.
It'll be the 303. Be graphene or not.
Yeah, 303. Yeah, 303 smashed it.
I'd use it.
Yeah, 100%. Right, so that was the four-way head-to-head all told. I think it's pretty straightforward as far as which one's the winner there. So I think the 303 absolutely smashed it. After 2 hits of a reasonable pre-wash mix that is still actually performing. It's still beading, the beads are still tight, uniform, they're still round. In second place it would be the Infinity Wax. That one's still on there, albeit you can see that it has been degraded to a point. The Adams after, and then the mystery product. Hey, guesses if you can below what you think that is. I'm not going to tell you just because reasons. The mystery product was a clear last, but all told, which one would we reach for again? Would have to be the 303. Which one would you actually consider buying if I had to recommend any of these 4? Again, the 303 is the correct answer. The main thing to really reflect on, and we said at the beginning, are they hype? I think still currently, in my opinion, yes. I can't see that they've done anything that we don't already have. They've not added slickness beyond what some products can already. They've not added a chemical resistance, particularly in the case of the Mystery one and the Adams, that doesn't already exist in a simple spray and wipe. And as far as my relationship with a few different brand owners and chemical manufacturers, a few have even gone as far as to say that graphene in this form isn't ready to go in products. So interesting to see that some manufacturers are rushing into it, why others are being quite detailed as to why that's the wrong decision. But all told, will graphene be the next new big thing? Maybe, if people keep pushing it. Does it perform in such a way that it should be the next big thing? Honestly, no. So yeah, if you had to buy one of these, 303, that's the one to spend your money on. I'd use it again, you know, even if it was just a good spray sealant, it does the job there. But should you rush out and spend that extra few bucks on graphene? No, save your money and put it into some things that are tried, tested, established and known performers. That's it. Do you agree with our tests? Comments below, guesses for the mystery one below. If you made it this far, thumbs up. And if you've not already, then subscribe. We've got a target for 2021. We want to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So help us with that if you can, and hit that subscribe button. That's all. Take care. See you.